let's start the Oxford syllabus of mathematics, book 4, chapter number 6, further trigonometry 6C. As we have the question, for each of the following triangles, find the unknown angles and sides. Part B, E, F, D, E, F are triangle. Let's start the question. As this is 6C, question number 1, part B. Let's start with the diagram. This is D, this one is E, and this is F. This is 6.25 meter. This angle is 38.7 degree, and this angle is 62 degree. This is unknown side, this is small f. This is unknown side, this is small d. These two sides are have to find out, and this angle f is have to find out. Let's start the question. As we use sum of the angle of the triangle is equals to 180 degree. So angle F plus angle D plus angle E is equals to 180 degree. By putting the value, angle F plus angle D is 38.7 degree plus angle E is 62 degree is equals to 180 degree. By doing the calculation, 38.7 plus 62 is equals to 107 degree. So by shifting the 107 to the right side, it will be take away from 180 degree, 100.7 degree. So angle F is equals to 180 minus answer is equal to 79.3 degree. 79.3 degree. Angle F is known now. Now the term D. So angle sum side D over sin D is equals to E over sin E. By putting the value, we have D over sin D is, D angle is 38.7 degree is equals to E's value is 6.25 meter. Opposite to angle E, this is E's value, small E's value, small E side. So this is 6.25 meter, and sin E is sin 62 degree. By shifting sin 38.7 degree to the right side, it will be multiplied to 6.25. 6.25 meter multiplied by sin 38.7 degree divided by sin 62 degree. Let's take the calculation. Sin 38.7 is equals to 0.625 is equals to 6.25 meter multiplied by 0.625 divided by sine 62 degree multiplied by 6.25 is equals to 3.908 3.908 meter divided by sine 62 degree divided by sine 62 degree is equals to 4.425. So D side is equals to 4.43 meter. Now the other side, that is F. Opposite to F angle, this is F side. Let's start. F over sine F is equals to E over sine E. By putting the value, we have F over F degree is 79.3 degree F angle. So this is sine 79.3 degree is equals to E side is 6.25 meter divided by sine E sine 62 degree. By shifting sine 79.3 degree to the right side, we will have F is equals to 6.25 meter multiplied by sine 79.3 degree divided by sine 62 degree. So it will be, now take the calculations, sine 79.3 degree is equal to 0.983, 6.25 meter multiplied by 0.983 divided by sine 62 degree multiplied by 6.25 is equals to 6.14 is equals to 6.141 divided by sine 62 degree divided by sine 62 degree is equals to 6.96 is equals to 6.96 meter, approximately 7 meter. This is the solution. As unknown side D was E, F is equals to D, which is equals to 4.43 meter, and D E side is equals to F, which is equals to 7 meter, and angle F is equals to 79.3 degree. These are our three unknown values, two sides and one angle. The solution is complete. If you like my video and if you need any help, any type of query, then let me know. And if you like my video, then subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.